Here's my outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. So it was like 50 degrees and now it's like 70. So I didn't need the jacket anymore, but I just got back from a doctor's appointment. So that was the fit. Shoes. I got this little black crochet bag. Oh my gosh, lighting. It's like crochet. I got it at the thrift store. Love the thrift store. These pants I think I got them last winter. Or maybe I got them this year in winter. I got them in the winter time. And from American Eagle. And they're like just green corduroy flare pants. And then this tank top. It's like nude colored tank top with a triangle. So that was the fit with the jacket, which also, sorry, I'm a little hyper today because I had a glass of coffee, a cup of coffee, a glass of coffee. I had a cup of coffee and I never drink caffeine, so. Anyways, look at that. It's like a cool, weird paisley like jacket. I got it at a thrift store literally years ago. I love it though. So that was the look. All right, so what are we doing today? I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I don't know if like this is a good idea or I just need therapy, but like I want to dye my hair crazy colors, so that's what we're gonna do. I should also go to therapy. Anyways, so this is my hair. I need to do my roots. So I'm like naturally a copper blonde. I don't know how to describe it. My sister is like a redhead and I'm like a version of a redhead, but it's like a strawberry blonde. Oh my God, wow. Mind blown, I'm a strawberry blonde. I don't know, here, I'll show baby pictures or like pictures when I was little. There you go. That's my natural hair color right there. These are baby pictures. I'm so hyper, oh my gosh. Anyways. Basically today I have to do the roots and the blonde, and then tomorrow I'm going to be doing the color. But lucky you guys get to see it all in one video. So, the toner I got, I always use this Blonde Brilliance from Sally's. I'm not like a professional, warning, I am not a professional. I just do my own hair, I cut my own hair. I haven't gone to a hairstylist in like at least 5 years, definitely longer than 5 years, because I've just always cut my own hair and dyed my own hair. It started out as, and still is, because I'm broke and it costs a lot of money to do your hair blonde all the time. It's like hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And I'm somewhat of an artist myself. I am an artist, so it kind of is like, I'm not like completely shit at it. That's what I'm trying to say. Basically, unless people watch this video and they're like, no, you're shit at it. Anyways, yes, I do my own hair. I cut my own hair. So, last time I did it, I feel like I did it really bad. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was like rewatching The Witcher and I just wanted to be really blonde. So normally I just do like highlights around my hair, but I just like did way too much blonde and it was too much. So this time I'm trying not to do that. I'm gonna do highlights like as should be done. So yeah, this is what I use, and this is the new toner I got. And it says platinum is the color, like the toner color or whatever. So I'm really hoping that I don't mess up my hair again. The thing is, I'm like all the way off camera. The thing is, I don't really care that much. It's just hair. I've never like messed it up to the point where it's been like unseeable, okay? So, but I've never done this before, so I want to do, and here's where the twist comes. So yeah, I need to redo my roots, and I need to bleach out like really, really blonde a few strands underneath, because I want to do fairy hair. So it's spring, it's gonna be summer. I always get the mood, I guess, to like liven it up, you know, wear bright colors, all that. So I don't want to do like a whole head of color, because that's so much maintenance and it's too much. But I'm going to bleach like, I think 2 strands on this side and then 2 strands on this side, maybe one in the back. So like what I feel looks aesthetically pleasing. So probably like just a few strands underneath, nothing on top. And I'm gonna do like a color melt, like an ombre color, like rainbow-ish color. It's gonna be like pink, purple, green. That's what I think, and make it look good. That's what I hope, yeah. So these are semi-permanent from the brand Ion. I got them at Sally's. They are semi-permanent, so it will wash out. I have dyed my hair crazy colors in the past. If I can find pictures, I'll try to show. But I've dyed my hair every color ever. I'm no stranger to different hair color, but it's been a long, long time since I've had like a fun color. All right, so today I'm gonna bleach my hair, and then I'm gonna, you know, like take it, wash it, all that, take a shower, and then tomorrow I will do the strands. So let's start with the bleach. Oh, and I'm wearing pants I don't want to get bleach on. These are like my pajama pants. Oh well, if I get bleach on them, life is life. Okay. It's like part hair tutorial, part nature documentary. And here's a wolf in his natural habitat, sleeping in his bed. Is that too much? I have really thick hair. It's like a lot of hair to work with. So, and I also have to plan where I'm going to be like extra bleaching, because where I put the color, I want it to be really, really blonde, really white, so that the color will be really bright and pretty and not muddled, whatever. So I think we're going to do separate these layers like this. I've just got so much hair. All right. Try to keep that layer up. Anyways, oh my gosh, this little strand doesn't want to go back. This is gonna be hell to take out. Ah. Okay. All right. Where's my brush? Here's my brush, so I can keep it clean. I'm basically growing my hair out as long as, I don't know, until I don't feel like doing it anymore. I like having like really crazy long hair. Makes me feel like ethereal, like a fairy, and like fairy is kind of fairy tale, you know. That's kind of my vibe. Oh my god, wait, why do I kind of like this hairstyle? Am I just tripping? Like, or is this kind of like cute? Okay, I'm probably just tripping. Anyways, do the second layer next. So, a little hair bleaching tips that are accurate. Don't do your roots first because your roots is closer to your scalp, which is hot, which activates the bleach. So it'll get way blonde too quick. So don't like actually touch your head and stuff until, you know, like the last, whatever. Wow, I said that so good. And what else? What I'm trying to do is more of just like a highlight to blend in with my natural hair. I'm trying not to get crazy, like carried away with it, because I do like having my natural hair color come through. My weakness is behind my hair, so that's probably like the worst because I can't see behind me kind of situation. And I do my hair myself all by my lonesome. So, all right, here's some gloves. Boom, 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 skip. Boom, 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 boom. Got some gloves. You definitely want to wear gloves because bleach will like mess up your hands. Here's the instruction sheet. My hair gets blonde really quick because it's naturally light. So it's like my hair is like done in 20 minutes. Sorry, there's like a dog hair everywhere. Anyways, we have this mixer. It comes with one of these like, you know, like the hair net thing where you can pull highlights out. I don't use that. I just like to do it by my eyes, you know. I got this thing stuck in my... I just like to, you know, do it by my own judgment. So I'm gonna need to put those gloves on. Here's the bleach powder, and here is the developer, the cream oil developer. And then it comes with 2 different kinds of brushes, which is nice. We are artists, so we need brushes. All right, so the instruction, let me put my gloves on. Oh, I just like breathed in bleach. It's really great for your health. Bleach. Try not to breathe in the chemical fumes. Masks would be cool. I should wear my mask. Never thought about that. That's a good idea. I'm gonna first dye the strands that like I want to be that color. Wouldn't it be cool if one of these outer layers, like outer ones, was like that? I'm feeling like this, but how thick should it be? Should it be this thick? That's kind of a lot. Let's like bring it down a tad. That would be a good place, don't you think? As I'm doing color here, I want it to be really, really blonde and white, almost white, so that when I do the color, it looks really nice. I'm trying to get it like all on one layer of my hair. So this is kind of like, I think that'll be really good. All right, so here we go. Hello everybody, so it's a couple days later. I did the blonde, I did the roots, and today it's time to do the color. So let's hope I don't mess my hair up. All right, got the foil out. Here's the colors. They look like a lot different, so we'll see. They look like neon and the green looks blue, so. I think it looks really cool. It's giving me Lisa Frank right now. It's supposed to be pastel colors, so I guess when I wash it, we'll see what happens. Messy. It was literally so messy. So it's the next morning. Here it is. It's done. It's like very, very subtle. I kind of want to do more. I think I'll maybe wait like a week or so and see how I feel and maybe do more. So I'm about to do a fairy makeup look, do my hair, see what it looks like all done. So let's go. All right, so I really love it. It's very subtle, but I mean, I got pastel colors. This actually makes me want to experiment more with like hair colors. Maybe next time do like a more saturated color besides a pastel. But yeah, I really like it. It reminds me of like rainbow iridescent vibes. Like it's just super subtle. This weekend I'm gonna go to like a little music festival. It's like outside on the beach. Like I live at the beach, so they have them all the time. So I'm gonna do like a fun outfit and I'm excited to go with like my hair now. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys if you want to do your own like fun, funky hair color for the summer. I hope you all have a beautiful weekend, have fun, stay safe, and I will see you guys all next week. So bye!